Hi guys, it's your movement docs, Nolan and Dom. We are talking about shoulder pain today. So if you have shoulder pain, it's the right video for you. There is this really big knot right over here underneath your shoulder blade, or in the shoulder blade underneath the spine of the scapula, right over here in an infraspinatus muscle. So when you have shoulder pain, you will find this guy right here. You can use a TFR ball on that spot. Let me show it to you on Nolan right now. Turn.
There you go.
There you go. So you find the spine of the scapula right over here. Put the ball right over here, and then you roll on it on the wall. And this will definitely help to relieve some of that tension and pain.
Yeah, in the clinic, we'll use our fingers, we'll use a ball to dig out any adhesions or knots in that, around that infraspinatus muscle. So that spine of the scapula we're talking about is right here. If you reach behind yourself, you can kind of feel this bony ridge. And if you just dip your fingers right underneath that bony ridge, you should feel the spot. If you get that tender spot in there, you've probably found it. So put pressure on there for 30 seconds or so. 60 to 30 seconds, as much as you can bear, and hopefully that takes care of the shoulder pain. That's a common reason why people have pain, and hopefully it's not anything more serious than that.